The Q3 cutter bar by Vermeer has many great features. One that owners like the most is the simplicity of the quick change shear ring. Here's how it works. After shutting down your machine, raise the cutter bar and engage the cutter bar lift locks. Open the curtains and remove cutter bar drive disc components if needed. Grab the spanner tool and hook that are shipped in the mower toolbox. To loosen the spanner nut and washer, use the hook to help hold the disc in place. Line the spanner tool pins up to the spanner nut and use a 24mm socket to loosen the hex nut. Remove the disc assembly from the drive shaft and use a 3/16" punch to drive the remnants of the shear ring from the hub. Replace with a new shear ring and rotate the disc 90 degrees from the neighboring disc on either side. Align the shear ring splines with the drive shaft splines and slide the disc assembly onto the drive shaft. Apply red thread locking compound 263 to the spanner nut and drive shaft, then tighten the spanner nut. Install the cover and bolts to the disc component and replace drive components if necessary. And that's it. For additional information, see your operator's manual or visit your local Vermeer dealer.